Hello guys, it's Mosha and welcome back to my channel. And in today's video I'll be sharing with you my DIY fenugreek water spray for hair growth. This helps to strengthen the hair, it promotes shine, and fenugreek can help also with dandruff, and it also helps to stop premature graying. So all I'm doing here is adding 2 tablespoons of fenugreek seeds. You don't have to use 2 tablespoons, you can just use as much as you want depending on how much you want to make. So and then I follow up with some hot water. Usually if I want to use it on the same day, this is what I would do, but you can always leave it overnight and let it sit. And yeah, the longer you leave it, the stronger it gets. It's just like brewing a cup of tea, so the same concept. So yeah, while I'm doing that, I'll just give you some more benefits of fenugreek seeds. So fenugreek seeds are loaded with nutrients that not only promote hair growth but also improve the texture of the hair when used regularly. So guys, here I am pouring it into this bottle. I messed up. I wasn't patient, so I poured this into my plastic bottle, which kind of did that thing when you put hot water in a plastic bottle and it shrank, and I was really annoyed about that. Yeah, so I had to wait again and let it cool down before putting it back in there. So after that, all I do is keep that and use it as a spray, as a daily spray. So if you want to strengthen your hair, make sure you're using this on a regular basis as your moisturizer. This is what I've been using, and in the next clip I'll just show you how I use that on my hair. And so here we are, my hair is still in cornrows, and I'm about to show you how I use this on my hair. So obviously just spraying the mixture all over my hair. This is what I do on a regular basis, just making sure that I saturate my hair with this stuff. Yeah, I've noticed a massive improvement with my hair, like just the way it feels and everything like that. Yeah, just the strength of it, the thickness. Yeah, and then once I'm done with like spraying, I usually just go in with the oil. So yeah, this is my DIY oil, and in the next video I will share with you how I make that one as well. So let me know in the comment section below if you are interested in that. So yeah, this is my DIY growth oil that I use on my scalp as well, on a regular basis. So yeah, that's all I do, and simple as that as my daily routine. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, guys. I really do appreciate. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and yeah, share this video with anyone who might be interested. And so until next time, guys, I will see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.